So what do you think is the motivation, the primary driver of developing written language? Is it goes hand in hand with civilization?
I think that the milieu in which it appears is when there's a lot of people living in an urban environment.
Yeah.
And with rival institutions, or with a king, or with a government, or all those sorts of
Yeah.
things. And that's why I think in Göbekli Tepe must have been the same thing. I read somewhere that they're all nomads and they only came to Göbekli Tepe, 3 months a year. I mean, that cannot be true, that they were nomads, and it cannot be true. To get the stone, and someone has to draw on the ground the plan of the building. They have to work out how thick it is going to be, how high it's going to be. And I mean, you can't just, like that, like gorillas.